Good morning. Hey Moon, you still here? I was just out here cleaning up, get ready to saw this, and I was like, ooh, that must be the burnt piece. That must be where the lightning struck. I haven't found any more burnt pieces. Happy Wednesday, you guys. Hey Sunshine, you coming up the mountain? All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Am I weird? I'm gonna look this under a microscope, see what it looks like or something. I don't know. Do something, some kind of test. My. Yeah, I made it, roly polies. Oh, there go Guinea girl. Come on, Bruno. Let me put you in because you're going to try to eat her for breakfast. Come on, Bubba. Come on. That mama baby. Yeah, you mama baby.